I'm going to space for work. I'll come back very soon.
You're very soon. I know what that means.
Bye-bye, Captain. Have a safe journey.
Looks like I'll be enjoying a whole year here, all by myself.
I suppose I can get in. I need to see my husband! My stomach hurts!
Don't worry, we're getting you to safety.
Tell my wife what happened to my wife. I'm coming back to Earth.
No, your work is here in space. Focus only on the mission.
Everything's under control. Stay with us.
Please, let everything go well. Protect them, my lord.
My little darling. You waited for me to return from space, didn't you?
My dear son, your dad couldn't stay away from us. He brought us to space with him.